Looking for a reliable wire stripper tool for electrical work? The Wage 18 professional wire stripper and crimping tool is designed for electrician, technician, and DIY users who want clean, fast, and accurate wire stripping. This multifunctional hand tool allows you to strip, cut, and crimp wire using one strong, durable tool built with high carbon alloy steel. It delivers long lasting performance even in daily professional use. The ergonomic non-slip handle reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for long electrical jobs, whether you are working on home wiring, switchboard, automotive wiring, or DIY projects. This tool saves time and improves accuracy. Buy now from the link in description and get the best deal. Perfect tool for every technician. Check the price today. Upgrade your wiring tool now. Link below.